Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a weekly plan with me. We are going to be planning the 12th through the 18th in my hourly happy planner. And if you didn't see last week, this is how it turned out. As you know, I am currently doing one planner for the month. And this may actually go on longer because I have really been loving it. I love having everything in one spot. It has made me a way more functional planner, but overall, throughout the course of my planning history, I have more than likely been a functional planner. Sometimes I'll switch over to decorative, but it doesn't last long. I always end up switching back because I just end up getting way more done when I am a functional planner. So I'm in my hourly planner, and I have also been using half sheets in order to get some things done. I still need to decorate my reading for this particular week, but I will do that after I finish recording this video. So we are planning the 12th through the 18th, and now I kind of have a system of how everything is going to be set up. I will cover this and use this side for my upcoming for the next week. Down here will be my routines. The top three will still be up here. My schedule will still be here, and then I will be using half sheets for everything else. I use this half sheet for my YouTube planning and what's coming up the next week, and also video ideas go on the back here. This will be used for my bills and for my entire budget. This is what I use for goal setting for the current week. And then I also have a note page where I keep track of my reading and different things that I've learned throughout the week, and meal planning. So, and then I also have a notes page that I use to just jot down things that I'm brainstorming and stuff like that. So that we're going to be doing the exact same setup this week. And so I'm also going to be using some icon stickers because I can still kind of use these and still be very functional in my planner. So that's the plan. So let's go ahead and get started. So this washi tape is from Sweet Bean Plans. It's a little see-through, but it's not bothering me too much, so I may stick with it. So now that I've added the washi, I'm going to add these weather stickers. These are from my shop, and I'm just going to check the weather app and then just put the icon needed across the top. Okay, so it's apparently going to be a pretty rainy week next week, but I do have all of my icon stickers down, and now I'm going to work on my sidebar. For my sidebar, I'm going to be using the Happy Illustrations planner book. This is the sticker book from Happy Planner. So that's it for the sidebar. I'm not going to put any stickers down yet until I start to write on my weekly spread. So now I'm just going to do my half sheets. The very first half sheet is going to be used for my YouTube schedule. So I'm just going to add icons to upload days, and I'm going to use these YouTube sticker icons from my shop. So I've added stickers to Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday because those are the days that I upload. And I'm also going to add some cute little stickers from Once More with Love. I just love these little peekaboo stickers from her shop. I think they are the cutest thing ever. So that's it for that. On the back here, I'm just going to add two stickers. One is going to be for next week's uploads, and then the next one is going to be for any video ideas. You know what? I changed my mind. I believe that I'm going to just do a sticker here for next week's uploads, and I'm not going to do one for the YouTube video ideas because I want to transfer that that half sheet from week to week. So I believe I'm going to create like a master list that sticks with my monthly spread. So then that way I can constantly transfer it as I need to film videos. So I'm still experimenting with this sheet, but this is my goal sheet. I still want to keep the top 5 goals that I want to accomplish this week. I decided to cover this area and make it a quote. I'm going to probably put an inspirational quote here, and then I'll still have room for notes down here and notes on the back. So I'm going to try that out for this week and see how I like it. So this is going to be my reading page, and I've just added a sticker down here and some washi tape and a reading once more with love sticker up here. Love this, it's so cute. Okay, so here is my before the pen. I love this setup because my planner is not big at all. I don't need expandable disc. I'm just using the regular disc, and I'm able to still fit so much within my 1 week. And it has been wonderful so far. So I'm really enjoying this. So now I'm going to just jot down the different things that I know is coming up this week, and then that will be it. Okay, this is it for my weekly setup. I have my upcoming on the sides, routines down here. I have my schedule down here, and my top 3 up at the top here. On my half sheets, I have my filming schedule along with when certain videos are going to post. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday right now. And so I've kind of jotted that down along with having a part where I'm going to post the 3 videos that's going to come out next week. I'm going to work on my bills, which that video comes out on Tuesday. So if you're interested in seeing how I fill out and do my bills using this half sheet, then you can definitely stay tuned for that video. These are my top 5 goals for the week. And then I also added a quote here, and I really like how this came out. So I'm probably going to be doing this moving forward. I also have room for notes. And I usually do my meal planning with my husband because he does a majority of the cooking. I'm very lucky, I know. And so we usually kind of plan it out together, and then I'll write down the groceries that we need to have for this week. And then over here, I'm going to add the notes that I'm reading from the book that I'm going to be reading next week. And so that's it I hope you guys have enjoyed this plan with me. I really enjoyed doing it. I am loving this setup so far. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about this setup in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.